top of the bottle they show the consistency, 1 scoop 1 drop, but if you need more you can do it 2 scoops 2 drops, 3 scoops 3 drops. Okay, now we prepare everything. So before you put in mixing pad, so you have to shake it. Now you put your one so far, 1 drop. I suggest you to use the instrument from plastic like this. So you have to divide into 3 parts and you mix it. So make sure that the consistency like this. See? See, this is the good consistency for luting. Now after that, so you can put inside the Meron inside your crown, your inlay or your onlay. Okay, I think that's all.